guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this wonderful scarf. This is the CJ Apparel scarf in the beautiful color of yellow. I would definitely recommend this if you're wanting to purchase a scarf for yourself or to gift, because not only do I find that the quality is so nice, super soft, as you can see, but it's also so practical and versatile. I love the size and also the way how it just keeps together so easily. It's lightweight, so it doesn't feel like it is too heavy or it drowns you. I also like that you can wear this even over a dress to keep it nice and elegant, or of course if it's really cold outside, you can always go ahead and wear it as a nice scarf here to keep your neck nice and warm. I think it's a wonderful color as well. It's so great to have yellow in your closet. I have loved it. So if you are thinking of getting a scarf, I would recommend this one here. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.